ちゃんだよ。Good morning, night, hello! I'm Moon-chan. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
わ、お、ん。One more time. わ、お、ん。You can find わ、お、ん here. わ for 私 meaning I. ん for en meaning yen. Yen is Japanese currency. And o? I thought I already learned o. There are two hiragana characters having same pronunciation o. This o is used for spelling vocabulary. O in okashi, for example. On the other hand, this o is only used as object particle to make sentences. お菓子を食べます meaning I eat snacks. You can find o here, and this o indicates お菓子 is the object of this sentence. Read along with me. わ、お、ん。One more time. わ、お、ん。Perfect.
Let's write ひらがな。
わ、1、2、1、2、お、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、1。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.